Hey everybody, it's MakeupMenaree. Welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to show you guys a quick, easy way to do a winged eyeliner. We will be using a marker today. So if you guys want to see how I do that, then stay tuned. Okay, so today I'm using the Kat Von D ink eyeliner. I also really love the e.l.f. ink liner, both amazing. So what we're gonna do is just do a thin line across your upper lash line. Okay, so once I got that thin line, I'm gonna go ahead and make it a little thicker, and just repeating the process, just building up that thickness on the lash line. Okay, so now we're gonna do the actual wing part. You wanna make a line from the outer corner of your eye straight up. Now, the more angled this line is up towards your eyebrow, the thicker your actual wing is gonna be. Next, you just draw a line straight down, like a little, sort of like a triangle, to connect the line that you already made on your lash line. Okay, so now I'm just thickening up that lash line, and I'm also connecting the wing part, and you can see I made a little mistake. It's fine, it happens. I'm just using a Q-tip to, erase that and fix it. And I'm just thickening up that wing there, and you are basically done. Okay, so now I'm doing the same thing on the other side. I'm just making that first initial straight line across my lash line. Okay, again, that straight line in the crease of your eye. Like I said, the more angled up it is towards your eyebrow, the thicker your wing is gonna be. And again, here I'm just gonna make like a little triangle and drag that down to that original line. And now I'm just connecting the two and making that thicker. And here you can see I'm just making it even with the other eye. And that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Also make sure to hit that notification bell. Thank you guys, and I will see you guys next time.